Thank you guys for watching this abstract video. This is a little area of our home that has a little hallway, kind of a nook, and you can just put items in here, lamps, whatever you like. I wanted to put an abstract painting and they are pretty pricey, so I decided to make my own, and I will show you step by step how to do that. I have a little detail on the sides of my painting that you can see here. The white part is foam board, and right underneath the abstract painting there's diamond wrap lined up underneath and along the sides. I will definitely put this at the very end of the video for any of you who want to try to do this project yourself. And I also want to show you what I have next to my painting. This little area right here, this is a revamped wall art piece that I decided to bling out a little bit. This used to be type of a this kind of looked like a dark brass color before I painted it silver. Comment in the sections to comment below to let me know if you think you want to see how I bling this out. But together the two pieces look really nice. So let's get to the video. For this abstract painting I will be using white acrylic paint from Walmart and silver paint from Hobby Lobby. I'll be mixing it together so that I can start the first section of this painting. Set this paint aside when we're done with this section, as you will need it to use it at the very end. This part of this painting I will be mixing black acrylic paint that I got from Walmart with the white, just a little of the white, so that I can get sort of a charcoal gray color. I'll be adding a generous amount of white paint to this mixture so that I can get a lighter shade of gray to add to the center of this painting. I'm in no way an artist. I was inspired to do this when I saw the prices of abstract painting, and through YouTube I was able to pick up some techniques and tweak them the way I like them, and I thought I'd share them with you. The glitter flakes that I got from Hobby Lobby, and these are really nice because they actually make a layered kind of effect. Add as much as you like. For this section, I'm just taking a dry paintbrush and adding the white paint on the charcoal colored gray. Then I'm taking my Mod Podge so that I can put it in the center of the painting. I'll add more glitter to this after I put the Mod Podge on. My recommendation is to make sure that after you're done with your abstract painting, you have some adhesive spray that you can spray on. This will keep or ensure that the glitter does not fall off. Taking my foam brush and dipping it in white paint. Here I'm going to make icicles. You can make as many as you want. That's the beauty of abstract painting. You make it until you're satisfied. Section of the painting we'll be using that silver and white mixture that we had in the beginning of the painting. We'll use it to paint over the darker gray, and we will blend it in with the icicles, but don't paint over them. Try to just fill them in. Now to get your border to look the way mine looks, all you have to do is get some foam board, cut out the dimensions that you want with a measuring tape that can line the sides of your abstract painting. And I just use some simple diamond wrap, one string that I lined at the ends that will actually go up against the painting. And that's how you get this particular look with the abstract painting. And I just pretty much mounted this up against my painting with some command strip tape. Comment below to let me know if you like these type of paintings. Thank you so much for watching this video, and we will see you on the next one.
Bye.
Bye.